In this clip, we're going to work on forming our pottery project. I want to continue throwing on the wheel, putting water in between my fingers, inside and out, lining our fingers up on the outside and the inside. Keeping our bottom thicker than our top, not undercutting. Don't go too fast with the wheel with the pedal, and don't go too slowly either. Want to keep it going straight up as opposed to going out. With gravity and the velocity of the wheel, once you head out, it's hard to head back up again. So we're working on our cylinder. Don't forget to compress. You'll notice I'm going a little bit slower with the wheel. Add water. And again, back down to the bottom and try to get that clay up off the bottom. As a beginner, it's hard to get all the clay up and the weight off the bottom. So try hard to get this out of there.